Biden G. Agosto.
Okay, so
The very first legal agarwood farming seminar Level 1 Cultivation and Inoculation in Barawan Leyte, Philippines. In association with DM Infinite Forestry Nursery and Middle-earth Farmland. Special thanks to Sir Mark Anthony B. Berzosa for organizing this event. Venue: Zindi's Farm. Disclaimer: we don't recommend any specific company or organizations. We only promote the legal way of cultivating the Aquilaria species producing agarwood while adhering to the local laws and DNR regulations. Venturing into agarwood farming is always your discretion. Here are some byproducts of Aquilaria species producing agarwood or wood. Ongoing seminar with our resource speaker Doc and Ma'am Ellen.
But to tell you, wala pa naman talagang guidelines ang DENR. They haven't. I got the copy of the DENR alliance. Sabi ko, sir, we are not that rich kasi to feed all the participants during that training. And we are traveling. Di ba, pag-tour na lang kami. Good plan.
Behind you guys in this farm. It's an honor to be part of this training. It's the first time here in Burawen na magkaroon ng workshop for agarwood cultivation. And we will take this opportunity to thank the guests for visiting our humble town, Burawen.
Distribution of agarwood training
Biden G.
certificates.
Agosto. Kanyako o Alaya.
ang certificate ang importante.
Going to the farm for the actual inoculation.
Let's go. Shout out kay boss. Shout out kay spacing. Oh. Pwede na ito. Basta may sulod, papalito nito. Haagra ka. Pero yung mga bayo na TikTok namin, si Waray, gana ka-agar, panganik tanong mo. Okay, so we're going to use a driller, papahawak.
You will start 1 foot from the ground. Ha? Yung straight natin dito. Pataas. And then, butas pa dito. Sideways, hindi sa sentro. Sideways. And then, kailangan hindi siya lapas. Basta hindi ka lang. Straight ka. Then dito ka. Sabi ko kanina, spinal. And then dito ang distance. The next is dito. The next is dito. Next is dito. Next is dito. Bakit spinal? Kung straight mo yan, hindi ako. Just para until.
Training. Bisitahin mo. Day.
So, first cycle tayo. Second cycle, dito naman tayo. In between. 3 months after the first cycle. Third cycle tayo, baka akit na tayo kasi malaki na yan. 6 months after the second cycle. Yan ang third cycle. Same principle. After the third cycle tayo, 1 year after the third cycle. After the fourth cycle, says 6 months after. Pero, malaki na siya. Hanggang the cycle. So, 1 year.
Sayang, may nagawa ko kumulong. Pwede ito, ang agabera. Kita ka makita, importante nun.